Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of repairing the motherboard of the Lenovo Thinkbook 15 G2 ITL. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a set of spanners. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to damage the clips that hold the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now, locate the motherboard. You will need to disconnect several cables and components attached to it. Start by removing the RAM modules. Gently push the clips on either side of the RAM slots to release them. Next, disconnect the hard drive and any other peripherals connected to the motherboard. Once everything is disconnected, you will need to remove the screws securing the motherboard to the chassis. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. After removing the screws, carefully lift the motherboard out of the laptop. At this point, if you notice any visible damage, such as burnt components or broken traces, you may need to replace the motherboard entirely. If you are unsure about the extent of the damage, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assess the situation and provide you with a clear understanding of the necessary repairs. If you decide to proceed with the repair, ensure you have the correct replacement parts. When installing the new motherboard, reverse the disassembly process. Secure the motherboard with screws, reconnect all cables, and reinsert the RAM modules. Before closing the back panel, it's a good idea to power on the laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If it powers on without issues, proceed to replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of travel. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Finally, once everything is back in place, power on your laptop one last time to ensure it's working as expected. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. And that concludes our detailed guide on repairing the motherboard of the Lenovo Thinkbook 15 G2 ITL. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the repair process. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.